So yun mga repa kong barbero, muling nagbabalik sa inyo ang inyong lingkod, si Boy Barbero. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today mag-unbox tayo sa ating clipper na in-order natin kay Kapa Rolly Bartolome. Bali itong in-order ko ay kanina lang dumating. So i-unbox natin. So iba yung feeling na meron kang original na clipper na tinatawag natin Whal Senior. So i-unbox natin to. Bago muna natin buksan, intro muna tayo. So yun, ito, i-unbox na natin at bubuksan na natin itong ating in-order na Whal Senior. Pinadala sa akin via LBC. So tara, buksan na natin. Kaka-package ni Sir Rolly para hindi masyado masira. Sa wakas, so bali ito na mga repa kong barbero. Yan, dalawang kahon pa ang bubuksan natin. Bali bubuksan ulit pa natin yung ito, may isa pa siyang kahon para mas safety naman yung kasi minsan pagka baka naibabagsak ng siyempre may na yung nag-iingat. Sa mga bago pa lang sa aking YouTube channel o napapasyal, huwag nyo rin kalimutang subscribe, pindutin nyo na rin po yung aking notification bell para laging updated sa ating mga video. So ito na mga repa kong barbero, ang ating pinapangarap na clipper. O ito yung pangalawang kahon. Okay. Iba yung pakiramdam, meron kang clipper na legit Whal Senior. Wow! Ito na mga repa kong barbero, nakuha ko rin sa wakas ang aking pinapangarap. Ito ang Whal Senior para sa mas magandang serbisyo natin para sa ating mga client. So bubuksan na natin to. So yan mga repa kong barbero. And then siyempre unahin natin ang 1 and 1.5 guide sa kahon number 1. Ayan, kompleto siya. Ito. Ayan, may number 1 guide, tapos 1.5 guide, tapos yung sunod natin tong clipper oil, saka may maliit siyang brush. Tapos meron siyang inilalagay na adapter para panduksong doon sa pinaka-charger niya. So ayan mga repa kong barbero. Bali ilalagay natin yan dito. Tapos ito pagka saksakan niyo tatlong socket, ayan, iduksong nyo lang. Ito yung charger niya. At syempre yung kanyang comb, ayan, o suklay. May tatak pa siya ng wall dito, ayan, meron siya na kasamang suklay. Syempre sunod natin yung walang iba kundi ang ating Whal Senior. Ito na, makinis na makinis, bagong bago, Whal Senior para sa mas magandang serbisyo natin para sa ating mga client. Ayan, Whal Senior. kulay gray yung kanyang level. Ayan. Ayos, buhay natin. Powerful, malakas. Ayan, lagyan natin ang Whal Senior. So yun lang mga repakong barbero. Yung sa likod na may mga yan, yung mga guidelines niya. Siyempre, yan yung mga babasahin natin. So hindi na natin ano to. Alam naman natin na kung gaano natin ganda yung clipper na yan. So mga repakong barbero, tetestingin natin to pagka meron tayong client na gugupitan. Whal Senior. So yun lang.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading